Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to be talking about laundry pedestals and why you may want to consider putting them in your laundry room. The points we'll be covering are: what are laundry pedestals, when to use a laundry pedestal, and buying options. Hopefully this video will help you decide if laundry pedestals are right for you in your home. When it comes to your laundry room, keeping it clean and organized can take a great deal of strain and physical effort off of you when you're doing load after load. One of the most ideal items that you can use in your laundry room that most people overlook are pedestals for your washer and dryer. So the first thing we're going to talk about is, what is a laundry pedestal? So most people know what a pedestal is, but not a lot of people know what a laundry pedestal is. Laundry pedestals are a base that goes underneath your washer and dryer to elevate them off the floor and can actually provide you with some storage space. In talking about storage, laundry pedestals give you a great amount of storage. If you consider that whole space that's on top of both of your machines is now underneath, think of all the items you can put in there. Pedestals typically raise the machine from 12 to 16 inches off the ground, giving you the ideal height to load and unload your machine without breaking your back. Now that we've talked about what a laundry pedestal is, let's talk about when to use one. One of the main reasons you want to consider using a pedestal for your washer and dryer is it helps alleviate that constant bending over in order to get clothes in and out of your machines. Another great reason to consider pedestals are from an accessibility point of view. Whether you're in a wheelchair or perhaps in a pregnant state, it certainly is a lot easier to use this equipment with pedestals under them. So now that we've talked about what are pedestals and when to use them, let's talk about some of the buying options. So the first thing we want to consider is price point. And you'll find you can pick up pedestals anywhere from around $100 to $400, depending on your likes and needs for your home. The next thing you want to consider is the height. Do you need one just to raise it up 12 inches, or do you want that extra storage and get one that's up to 16 inches? And for that finish look, you're going to want to make sure that you can get pedestals that match the color of your appliances. Now that you've gone through all those things to consider, the last point you're going to be faced with is the actual installation. Now they need to go under your machines, and your machines are heavy, so you'll need two people. As well, you may want to make sure you've got enough height above your machines in order to install them easily. And if you need some help with that, you can always check out our video on how to install your pedestals. Thanks very much for watching. We hope that this video helps you in your decision as to whether pedestals are right for you in your home. So for more great videos, don't forget to subscribe and swing over to Fix.com and check out our blog.